subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Nokia has launched its new 5G enabled smartphone under G series in India called Nokia G60, and it was first announced globally in September this year. Now talking about the specifications. The Nokia G60 features a tall 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. As per the camera, the Nokia G60 5G supports an AI-featured triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 20W fast charging, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G with eSIM support as well, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166 by 75.93 by 8.61mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the Nokia G60 5G smartphone. The Nokia G60 5G has been priced in India at 29,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from November 8th in black and ice color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia G60 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.